semuanya, magandang araw. It's Jem here and welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been missing in action for a few weeks now, and yeah, I have a lot of pending content, but for today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I made this look along with the hair, you know, the clean makeup look. And mind you guys, I'm not a professional makeup artist, nor I'm really good at it, but yeah, this is a collaboration with YesStyle. All the products that I have used are from them, so make sure to check them out. Please do use my code, it's Jem here, so you can get discount. Oh my gosh, I sound so awkward now because it's been a long time, but if you use my code when you buy from YesStyle, you will get discount, so make sure to use that. But yeah, let's go to the tutorial of how I achieve this look. So I already put my Giselle contacts on and I'm with my day 2 hair, so that's where we're gonna start. So I have just my brush and this gel right here. Ponytail, and then I'm gonna put on gel here and then do that thing. And now we're gonna be doing like a bun and then leave like the ends of the hair like that, although it will be quite difficult. And then I think that's fine, right? Yes, that's fine. And now we're gonna focus on the bangs. I'm gonna do, I think, that. Okay, so this is the best I can do for the clean hair look. And I'm just gonna add this hoop earrings to kind of give up that look, and then we'll proceed to the makeup. Now to prep my face, of course, I'm gonna be using first lip balm because my lips are so dry. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I'm just using this lip butter sleeping mask from COSRX, and it's a sleeping mask, but I use it as a prep for my lips before I start with my makeup. And it's very buttery and yeah, it helps. And of course, I always make sure to use a mist. Like when I'm bored and like I need something on my face, I use this. Before makeup, I use this. I also put it on a sponge to use it, but I'm gonna put it first before I proceed on my moisturizer, and then this amazing sunscreen that I'm gonna be talking about later on. So yeah, we're just gonna spray this first. So as you can see, it's like already glossy. And then I put on moisturizer. Always make sure to put moisturizer on before you put on your makeup so it like smoothly applies. And then now that I have applied the mist and the moisturizer, I keep on looking at my screen. Sorry if I don't look at you guys directly, but this is from a bib. It's the Heartleaf Sun Essence. Is it focusing? Like sun drop, and this is with a dropper sunscreen. It's the first time for me that I'm using this kind of stuff, but it's just very runny, and it is good for the glowy clean makeup look because it is 촉촉해. What's 촉촉해 in English? I think dewy. Yeah, I think dewy. So we're gonna be putting that on our skin. And yeah, this makeup look is more of a transition of summer to fall for some countries, but for me it's summer because we don't have fall here in Dubai. So just make sure to apply that. Also, I just recently learned that after putting sunscreen you need to wait like 15 minutes before you apply on makeup. So I'm gonna be resting for 15 minutes and then get back to you because I think that's the rule. I don't have a foundation, which is why I use majority of the time with my concealer from the Sem. And you guys, this is such an amazing concealer, and as you can see, it's almost finished. So when I go to Korea, I need to buy it. This is in the shade Natural Beige, and this acts as my foundation because I don't have foundation. It's not like I don't want to use foundation, it's just that I don't have And I do have a lot of marks on my skin because of my previous acne. So that's that. And then what I do is spray again over it. And then I use my hands or fingers first before I use, where's my sponge? Before I use my sponge. I'm gonna be putting on some powder first from Etude House. It's the Zero Sebum, just to kind of set some of the skin because it's very oily or dewy on some parts of my face. For the eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this Too Cool for School Art Class by Rodin shadow in the shade Rosy Brown, and it's very pretty, guys. You know, it's very kind of basic colors for everyday look, and it's already messy because I do mix some colors when I put on my shadow. But yeah, so first what I do as my base is to mix these two colors. So I just like blend it in the middle, which is why it has color like that, and then I just put it on the whole area and then shift it under the eyes. So we're just gonna use that and then like, I don't know, like blended it in there. Okay, it looks bad at the moment, but we're gonna blend it out. But it's at this area. I'm laughing at myself because I'm not good with makeup tutorials. And then we're gonna use this brush and then just like blend it there. On a different brush, we're gonna be going over the glitters and then we're gonna put it over there. I'll just get it over with my brows because I feel like I have a thick brow, so I don't need to fill it in. But I have this brows fixer from Etude House, this clear gel, which just kind of like helps the weight of my brows. So we're just gonna be doing that. Put a mole underneath there. Yes. For me, if it's gonna be a natural look, it's gonna be downwards and then just like put a little bit of wing. Now we're gonna be curling our lashes and use this mascara from Naming. I love the packaging. It's basic. I know it's like dirty type. When you touch it, it leaves the mark from your fingers, but this mascara is good. It lasts long and it makes your lashes have more volume and curled for quite a long time. We used a mascara fixer. We're gonna be curling that and then cover it with the mascara. Start from the ends and then open your eyes, you know. Open your eyes, open your eyes, open your eyes. And then the bottom lashes as well. For the blush, I'm gonna be using the Lip and Cheek Matte Mousse from Kathy Doll with collaboration Hello Kitty. This is in the shade Carrot number 2. I'll be using this also for my lips, but let's just put it there and then use our hands to blend that. Our fingers, what do I keep saying? Hands. Okay, that's a lot. Oh my, that's a lot. And then we're gonna finish it off with my Moonshot Tint Fit Shine. Is there a shade for this? Oh, this is an apricot beige. I forgot to do my contour because I don't usually do contours because I don't know how, but we're just gonna do a subtle one, and it's this one. It's from MQNY McQueen, New York. So what I usually do is just like, again, mix all of this. This is what I see that they do, so just do the, I guess, like Then let's put on the highlighter, which is from Clio. It's Prism Air in the shade Golden Time. Blend it with your fingers. You know, the key is blending with your fingers to make it as natural as possible. And then right here. And yeah, I think this is it. This is it.